That's welcome news, Bill. Do
I'd
you usually
say-
suffer from cedar fever?
Well, not anymore.
Oh, good, because we're wearing masks
Hey,
now.
let's do it.
protects us.
Let's do it. Yeah, no,
Oh.
you know, with the cedar heavy and only going to get heavier with these winds, I'm masking up because I can get some cedar fever going. It is not fun.
Good plan.
I'll give you this tip, though. Cedar X. It's over the counter, drops on your tongue. Perfect. Hey, it's time to celebrate a birthday. The tailor-made forecast hits the 10 o'clock. Here he is, Isaiah Fields. Happy birthday. Sunday. So we're a little early, but of course it's Friday night and I get to Monday. It would be a belated birthday wish. So happy birthday. You're 16th on the 16th, Isaiah. And it will be a little bit warmer and less windy than it will be tomorrow. So this is Sunday's forecast. 50 at noon, breezy. 54 at 3, still breezy. Winds should start dying down as we get closer to 60 for a high. Mostly sunny, a beautiful day for Isaiah. His grandmother sent in the picture and the tailor-made forecast, said he wants to be a meteorologist. Said he's been interested in meteorology since kindergarten.
You gotta bring
Isn't
him
that
in.
cool? I know.
turn.
We got to give you a tour, Isaiah. That'd be so cool. Well, when we get to where we can do tours again at Ken's 5. I can't wait till that happens. All right, if you have an upcoming event, send me the info, bill@kens5.com. All right, so wait, we'll go back. Here it is. Red flag warning at 9, but the wind advisory begins at midnight. Keep in mind that the red flag warning means that we've got a higher threat of fire weather. With these wind speeds expected to gust near 50 and very low humidity and an already very dry South Texas. I mean, keep in mind, we haven't had soaking rains in like 2.5 months. So please, all weekend, because it will be breezy again Sunday, avoid outdoor burning. We saw big fires today. Fires will catch quickly, they'll spread quickly. Here's the wind speeds. Remember, you still have time now to get anything inside that you don't want blowing down to Brownsville tomorrow. 23 miles per hour to 27 miles per hour at 2 to 3 in the morning, closer to 30 by 8 a.m., and then we'll stay there. It's like 10 to 12 hours of sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Now factor in the wind gusts, and we're talking about a tropical storm. 32 at 3 a.m. and then 40 plus once we get the sun up. So this is going to be a very, very dangerous wind that we experience on Saturday. Temperature is 61, south and southeast winds right now, only 10 miles per hour. See, we're still getting a south to southeast wind because the front still has a little real estate to cover before it moves through. Look at the dew points that'll drop from dry air to desert air. I mean, teens, we'll be in the teens on dew points Saturday and Sunday, and we'll get probably a freeze out of this on Sunday morning. So the 7-day forecast, it's really a wind forecast. No chance of rain. 43 to 54 tomorrow, very windy. Prepare for a light freeze Saturday night, and that'll mean lower to mid-20s in the hill country. High closer to 60 on Sunday. Then MLK Monday, 66, noticeably warmer, a beautiful day. I really wish we were having the March. Too bad for the second year in a row it goes virtual. Lower 70s Tuesday, Wednesday, and there it is. A chance of some much needed rain by Thursday and Friday.